All right. We're gonna do a combustion leak detect test. Got our combustion leak detector from Harbor Freight as well as the test fluid. Shout out to Chris for showing me this method. We got some overheating issues with this engine, and maybe you can tell us what the issue is. So we got the 302 V8 in there. Not 100% sure what tranny's in there exactly. I'm pretty sure it's a 3-speed. It's automatic. I was told that it came from a 1980 Crown Vic. Yeah, Aaron just said it's probably a C4. So we'll see. We'll get everything out. First, we're gonna do that combustion leak test. We'll get it started, see if we can get it up to temp, and then we'll go from there. Hell yeah, brother. Alright, no detection of a combustion leak. It's getting all rebuilt anyway, so
it's coming out.
It's coming out. We'll get some paint markers, mark up the mounts for the hood, get some for the bolts and stuff in there. Maybe start draining some fluid here, or should we? Yeah. At least coolant, right?
Fuel.
So, alright.
She loves toast. Be a little careful since the engine's quite warm. Hopefully this antifreeze don't burn me.
I guess you can start labeling the wires.
Yeah. Coolant's coming out.
Yeah. Alright, got the fuel line blocked off. Gotta take the line off. Oh, she is crusty.
Our gas can?
Oh, yeah.
I know you like the way I'm holding this hose.
Here's that OSHA approved.
Yep. Nothing else.
Right
nothing
there.
else.
Look at that ingenuity.
Thanks,
Government. Yeah.
So much more space in here than the Mustang. Keeper snagging the alternator right now. Start working on these radiator hoses. Like the way he's cranking on that thing. Gonna spank it later. Yeah.
Spank it right now.
That's what we do here. See a little pull can get this thing. It's breaking. There it is. There it is.
Oh, I knew it.
Come on, baby. Almost there.
That 10 millimeter.
I can feel it coming. That's what she said. Come on, baby. Maybe the problem is me. It definitely was me.
Oh.
Now, my experience with taking off this hose it's not very good. When I overhauled the Mustang engine, this was probably, yeah, this was bad. Oh, too easy. Definitely not as bad as I thought, but that is pretty crusty. Never hurts to label, even when you know what you're doing. Oh yeah, that's 6, 7. This thermostat housing isn't necessary to remove, but that could be the culprit of the overheating. Whoops. Yeah, I would say thermostat, seen better days.
Yeah.
That's no good. The distributor gear is stuck in the engine. Pretty sure it's not supposed to be like this.
It's fine.
Yeah, cool. Tack just pop out like that. Distributor plugs are out. Hard pump looks fairly new. Put in place.
Oh yeah. Looks like a rebuilt engine to me so far.
Oh yeah.
Allegedly.
That's what they all say.
That's what they all say. And they get you.
Replacing one or two components on the engine is not a rebuild, by the way.
What?
By the way, we're not professionals. This is our first engine pull, so
We know what we're doing.
yeah, we know what we're doing.
Who needs instructions? Yeah.
Already pulling the radiator?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bought this rig last year, so it's been almost a year and a half since I've had it. Got it from a gentleman in Oklahoma, and I guess I wasn't really. Guess I didn't know what I was getting myself into with it. I was looking for a reliable truck, already built, running just fine for the area where I live here in Texas, and probably about 30 minutes into the drive, she was already overheating and breaking down. A 2-hour drive turned into probably about an 8-hour drive to get home until dark, and it was cool enough. So yeah, finally getting down to the nitty-gritty with the help of my buddy Aaron here. He's got a 68 Ford Mustang. He's also got the 302 in it, so he's got probably a lot more knowledge than I do on this thing. So.
Barely.
But we're gonna figure it out.
That's what this channel's about. We're learning as we go, and you guys learn with us. All right, let's see if we can figure out now.
So much more space for activities.
Probably take the alternator and its bracket out. Get this guy off. Oh shit. Alternator.
Times are moving. We got what, 2 hours a day right now?
Yeah.
You got it.
Here in Old North Texas, the sun goes down at 5:27.
What's up, country song?
Yes, sir.
Only the best for my guests.
Ah,
Cheers.
cheers. Don't know. Are we able to do this on camera?
I don't know. We'll find out.
It's
Right?
just a soda.
Oh, first try. Look at that.
Yeah, we Ford drivers around here. Yeah.
Oh. That's definitely oil. Oh, look at that.
Check this guy out.
Mm-hmm.
Not one, but two.
Two, baby. Oh, she's smoking.
Hell yeah. Nothing like us.
It was super.
Nothing like a plethora of gasket. Alright, we're gonna get the rest of this disassembled. Batteries are dying, and daylight is slowly drifting. Yeah, we're gonna get the rest of this taken apart, and then we'll come back to you guys when we're getting ready to pull the engine. Yeah, we're definitely not pulling this today. We're gonna get to this on another day, so stay tuned, part 2. But yeah, first ever crank and spank video.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's been fun. So to be continued.